Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the basics that matter. Sign into the Apple ID you used for Game Center and make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is stable. Once done, open Settings and confirm date and time is set to automatic. This prevents authentication errors. Next, go to Settings Game Center and note whether your Apple ID shows signed in. If not, try signing in now. This first step unlocks the rest of the repair flow. Once you hit a sign in error, sign out of Game Center, then force quit settings and relaunch it to clear transient glitches. If problems continue, reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi caches and often solves intermittent auth failures. Make sure you know Wi-Fi passwords. After the reset, return to settings, toggle Game Center off and on, and attempt to log in again. These steps rebuild the connection layer between your device and Apple servers, which fixes most mid-process failures. To finalize, verify Game Center functions by launching a game and checking achievements or multiplayer. This confirms an end-to-end fix. If issues persist, restore the device from a recent iTunes backup on a computer. This preserves iOS 6 state while replacing corrupted settings. Once restored, reinstall problem apps and retest. If you still fail to sign in, try your Apple ID on another device. If it works there, the issue is local to your iPhone. Otherwise, contact Apple support. One key tip: reset network first. It's the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.